Faster. So this is the place where we take our dinner. We're in the boat. So we're done eating. You cannot see anything. It's really dark outside. Pwede tayo lumabas, be. Makita. Teka. Tanong tayo sana. So, this is the place. So, ito yung iba kapag walang ay, saan yung ano? Yung mga walang cabins sa gilid na ganun. We try to see up. What floor do we? Saan floor ba tayo? 7. 8. Akyat sa taas ko. Pwede makalabas doon. It's very cold here. Oh my god. This is the outside. So we can see things out here. So we'll see here down. We cannot see anything. It's already 10:30 in the evening. So this is down. Only this we can see. This boat is very fast. So this boat is very fast, guys. You don't move me, Jomela. Maybe my phone will fall. Oh my god. Can't imagine. So this is look, Jomel. We'll see if we can go up there. So this is the boat. Ito yung boat na rubber boat na nilalagdad nila kapag na-accidente. Oh nga. We can go up there, Joel. Come here. We'll try to go up here. Ah, no, no. So cold. It's very cold. Joel, malaglag ka dyan. You will fall. Here. Come here. It's windy. Come here, come here. No, no, no. Hoy. Ang lamig. Come here. Yan o, sabi yung stop. Yung sabi yung stop. Ayun o. Yung sign na stop. Ayun o. Ang lamig dito, guys. So, we cannot see anything. outside because we are already in the middle. So sobrang lamig na siya dito sa taas. Parang submarine siya, no? Kasi meron siyang ano eh. Oh. May driving seat siya.
Nakaganyan so hindi na pupunta yung tubig.
Diyan oh, papasok ka dyan tapos sasakay sila dyan oh. May pintuan bago nila ibababa. Para siyang ano, submarine ba yan? Para siyang submarine, no? So, andito yung iba, yung mga walang cabin. Dito sila naupo. Try natin dito. Tingnan natin dito kasi yung mga walang cabin, dito sila naupo. Ah, sorry.